What up, YouTube? This video is taken on this Saturday morning, December 11th, 2021. Time right now is 9:11 a.m. And I flew 3 packs at this spot, which you saw in the actual Packsember post video. I thought I would do another pack now that I kind of have some ideas. I'm not good with lines, so we'll see what quote-unquote lines I can do. And see, Stacy will be a testimony that I managed to do a whole bunch of power loops and stuff around those building and not crash.
So now if he crashes, I deny everything. Backward dive, drop through there.
Welcome to Mambo.
Coming back into it and then rolling and then diving. I really like that. That looks cool for this angle. I don't want to look like this, but it looks cool for this.
Yeah, I want to quote unquote try to be artistic, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know what that was. Yeah, that's why I was saying that sometimes I wonder if my camera angle is... okay, I'm going to start over. Okay, here we go, trying to be artistic. Oh, I got so close to the wall. Now that would have been, man, that would have been that bot grinder tip where when you mess up, just keep on going with it.
Yep.
Either would have looked like I did that on purpose.
Yep. Oh, he caught it with a little stick.
Yeah, I was trying to land it.
Those are hard to do because it's tight.
Okay, surf the bushes, don't trim them, just surf them.
I've trimmed them plenty today. In good shape. Garden doesn't have anything to do. Oh, really nice.
Didn't go.
Yeah, there you go. You bought the power this there. Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
Now they don't have to turn the top off. Oh, nice save.
Yeah, I was like in autopilot there. I don't know what I was doing.
It was like crazy.
Low battery, 22 volts.
And let me finish it off with a nice
Battery, 22
power loop here.
low battery.
And that's it. That's all she wrote.
Low battery, 21.8 volts. Low battery, 21.
Okay, so that's what a difference 3 packs make on a spot if you watch the actual Packsember video and this video. Oh,
Nice landing.
I slammed my quad. Exactly what Flow Rider hates. Hey, cool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for Paxember, day 12.